Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today we are here with Jay Clark from Dirt Bike TV. We're going to talk about another of his beautiful builds. Jay, what can you tell me about this bike?
It's an older 2016 KTM 250 SXF that we put newer forks on, AER, the air fork, the new one off the new bike, so it's basically like an 18. And we built this thing into a full race motor with a big bore kit from Cylinder Works.
So this is 250 and turned to 270?
270, which is what we like to do. And Jamie at Twisted Development does the head porting to match the big bore and does the valve seats, so full deal, but it still runs stock valve train, and so durability is going to be good and it'll last a long time.
How about the ignition? Do you have like a different map for it?
We run the Vortex ignition because they do help it to map a lot better.
Okay. Cool. So
amazing bike. It is, and I'm just in love with it. Obviously, we did it for Dirt Bike Magazine.
Right.
They loved it. It's really fast. It's like 9 more horsepower stock, so it's just really easy to ride. If you're geared to, it pulls the stock gearing good, and if you're geared too high, it'll still pull it. So it's really fun, amazing bike. Kind of a dream bike for me.
I heard Jay something. He said something off camera. He said this might be the best bike he ever built. You still think like that?
Yeah. So I just did like a 45-minute moto today, and I was just in love with it. And yeah, it's amazing.
What makes it such a good bike?
Weight, turns, yeah, all that stuff combined. And you just feel the suspension from Factory Connection feels amazing. The bike's really light stock. These bikes are a lot lighter than all the other bikes. So it's pretty light. It's probably about 10 or 12 pounds lighter than most everything else I have.
Okay.
This range. So it's really light. The power's amazing, just instant. So that's what I really love it. It feels great. More than enough power to do everything out here today, and it's good.
And it's 2016, so Jay calls it an older bike. For some of us, it will be a pretty new bike, right? All right, so I guess I'm gonna take you for a spin. We got the new wet track at Kauia. They just opened it today, so this will be my first time on this new wet track on the new bike. So I look a little bit rusty, so don't expect anything great, but I look forward to ride this bike and see how it feels. I think curves look much better than before. Is a big step down, not from here. Not up here. So when you see I'm doing my landing is not the best, but this suspension is doing a good job. There's a lot of people on the track. The new track, so people need some time to get used to it. But it is fun, definitely.
tabletop, like clear. Nice turn. You can meet that curve over there.
Just got back. I did like 20-minute moto on the new vet track that is completely changed. So it took some time, and even now I don't feel like I got it yet. But there are some good turns, some good jumps. Something is it's a little more dangerous, so I just have to carry more speed. But pretty good change, you know, finally something different. As for the bike, man, I just love it. It's these 250s with a big bore, what Jay is doing normally, they feel really great on a track. I mean, you don't really need more power, especially a guy like me. You don't need more power on the track. It pulls everywhere. Just need to keep it a little more in a high RPM, which I still have to learn because I'm riding 450. So I just kind of use the, you know, the bottom end and low power on those 450 bikes. But this definitely wants to be a little bit in a higher RPM, but pulls really nicely through the range. Even from the bottom, it doesn't feel like 250. It has extra 9 horsepower on the dyno, so you can really feel that, and you can use it on a track. So really a good package for the guys like myself. You're not really super fast, you're not really, you know, like fastest guy on the track, but you still want to have fun, you still want to improve. So a bike like this will definitely help you. Suspension, pretty good. Factory connection did a good job. It feels good. You saw in the video I got a few flat landings and I was short on the jumps, and it just soaked up that hit, so it was okay. I could continue. If the suspension is not very good, not set up correctly, this might be a crash. You know, I wouldn't be able to just kind of hold it after this kind of hard landing. So definitely, your suspension, have it in dial professionally or play with it yourself and really get that fine tuning for the bike. That's a crucial thing if you want to start hitting something a little bit bigger on the track. I love the bike. I'm really happy that I could finally, you know, ride this new vet track, because it's been like 2 or 3 years the same all over. Now it's a little bit different, so hopefully I'll get better over there, and then I will go to a main and just graduate. Alright, my friends, that's about it for today. Let me know below in the comments how you like this bike, how you like our new vet track, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.